Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the features of the Leader Accessories Trailer Hitch Cargo Carrier Rack, a robust solution for all your transport needs. This cargo carrier is crafted from heavy-duty square galvanized tube steel, offering a remarkable load capacity of up to 500 pounds, ensuring your gear is securely transported. Its generous dimensions of 60 by 24 by 6 inches provide ample space for multiple items, freeing up valuable interior space in your vehicle. The durable mesh surface prevents smaller items from slipping through, while the bolt-together design offers a stable base for everything from coolers to firewood. One of the standout features is its convenient folding design, allowing you to fold the carrier up when not in use, saving space and enhancing versatility. Compatible with vehicles equipped with a 2-inch receiver, this carrier also includes a 5/8-inch hitch pin for easy installation. For added safety, reflective strip stickers enhance visibility in low-light conditions, ensuring a safer journey for you and those around you. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.